On April 1st, an Israeli airstrike targeted the Islamic Republic of Iran's consulate in Damascus, killing a senior IRGC official and others with diplomatic credentials. This act was a violation of the Geneva Convention and gained criticism from world powers. The Iranian leadership vowed revenge, and 12 days later, on 13th April, Iran launched drones and missiles on Israeli territory, which was an unprecedented attack as no power has ever struck Israel directly on its territory ever since the Yom Kippur and the Six-Day War. Following this, the Middle East region was rife with tensions, and for many observers, this is a gateway to a much larger conflict in the Middle East and the region beyond. Iran and Israel have been engaged in a Cold War, where both powers have engaged in covert warfare to sabotage and subvert the other. With these recent attacks, both have come out of the shadow war to more open and direct confrontations. Experts suggest that a conflict between these two has the potential to draw in the United States and other powers, leading to a much larger and a dangerous global crisis. However, there have been no indications until now by the US or any other ally to directly engage with Iran. So, what really happened that led to Israel directly attacking an Iranian consulate, resulting in casualties of people with diplomatic credentials? Well, one reason could be that PM Netanyahu is believed to have lost some of his popularity after his response to the October 7th Hamas attack, and he has been criticized in Western circles. So, a conflict with Iran, an external power, could be a way for PM Netanyahu to regain that lost popularity. Secondly, the Gaza crisis, which is likely the reason for this criticism against PM Netanyahu, can be put on a back burner if there is a crisis between Israel and Iran. So what's next? What can we expect in the future? As both countries have displayed their offensive and defensive capabilities, it is likely that both will resume covert hostilities against one another. The Iranian missile attack on Israel will have a negative impact on Israeli deterrence, and this will likely make Iran and other anti-Israel actors in the region bolder in their actions against Israel and their allies. The recent hostilities are likely to deepen the security dilemma for other countries in the region and will prompt them to focus on defensive and offensive capabilities. In conclusion, the Iran and Israel conflict has the potential to develop into a much larger conflict, and this is a cause of concern for multiple powers in the Middle East region and in other regions that are bordering or neighboring the Middle East region.